Samsung is making this big. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is already in the news, still it's a lot earlier to get any prediction. Meanwhile, Samsung is getting ready with the new technology to first debut in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope to say if chip shortage is over, we may see Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in next year, February 2023, along with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23. But you should be excited as Samsung is trying new technology in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it can possibly happen. We may see a price drop on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it is not confirmed. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Which one would you prefer next year? Samsung is thinking of changing the battery technology with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. As of now, rumors were indicating that Samsung is going to use stacking battery technology, which is used for the electric vehicle's battery, which will improve the battery to have more capacity along with more safe, more durable, give 10% more power and bigger in capacity to the rollover technology that Samsung and other companies previously used in their phones. Not only this, it will not affect the size of a battery, so you don't need to worry about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra thickness. According to the previous rumors, Samsung is improving the capacity and we may see 5500 mAh battery or more in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and Samsung will achieve this mark with the stacking technology. Not only this, Samsung is also working on 3nm chipset for the next year's smartphone, and with that, it will lower the battery consumption and give more power. We really want to see Exynos to perform well, and if it's not happening with the S23 Ultra, then Samsung should think about going with the Snapdragon Gen 2 only version for the S23 Ultra. At least nobody will complain issues just like they did with the foldable devices. Samsung is also making a big improvements over Galaxy S22 Ultra. Well, last year Samsung announced its 200 megapixel lens but didn't put in this year's S22 Ultra. So it is safe to say that we may get S22 Ultra with the 200 megapixel camera, and we get some rumors along with it. Meanwhile, we still have a question whether or not we get a UDC under display camera with the S23 Ultra, because for now UDC technology is not polished yet to use for the main primary selfie camera, and this is according to the news that Samsung is putting new under display camera in Galaxy Z Fold 4, and that can be used in the S23 Ultra, which eventually makes a phone with no front camera hole or whatsoever and possibly comes with edge to edge display, I mean quad curve. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.